So we've come to Happy Mount Park now. Now this is a park I don't think I've ever been into unless I came when I was a kid, and I cannot remember. They've got a cafe and they look as if they've got a 16-hole adventure golf as well. So we'll have a bit mosey on, have a look at them inside in the park. Nice tree with blossom on it. So Happy Mount Park. We shall have a look at the map, everybody. So we are there. And they've got swing boats, play area, crazy golf, bowling green, trampolines, cafe, toilets, splash park, playland, miniature railway, Japanese garden, picnic area, woodland walk and natural adventure play area, toilets. So quite a bit in this park. I thought they had a boat and lake, but I must be thinking of Blackpool.
No,
Stanley Park, getting them confused. So this is the adventure golf. 16-hole adventure golf. Pirates, but it's closed. That's the shop over there. Cafe. So you've got a bowling green there. And then you've got some basketball courts here. So there's a splash park there, but it's all closed at the moment. There's a splash park there, but it's all closed until the season starts, I presume. And then over there you've got a children's playground. Looks quite good.
Looks as though there used to be a railway, or still is.
Yeah, there's a little railway track as well. I think it just goes around the play park. So there you have a natural adventure play area in the trees and things.
Yeah.
Squirrel, if you saw it there running just near the hedge. It's away in the hedge. Ooh, have a good scratch. Cutie, little cutie. So this is the Japanese garden. There are lots of little ponds in here. No koi though. No Japanese fish. And here we have another little pond. Got the lilies growing in the middle. And then there's a little coal tit on the branch. Right, we've come further along the coast. We're at Hest Bank now. My phone's died. I've only got about 2% left. So we've just put the drone up, but because my phone was out of battery, I normally connected to the hotspot, and so we managed to get it up in the air quite high, but we didn't want to send it away somewhere in case it didn't come back, because knowing how we'll look, it wouldn't come back. But yeah, it's a lovely day today. And here's Hest Bank. It's a lot stonier than Morecambe Bay, but once you get out over the stones, there's sand. And you can see Morecambe in the distance over there. Very nice. I've had a lovely day out, haven't we? You wouldn't think I'd been at work this morning. So anyways, we're going to call it a day now. And I hope to get all this downloaded for later on, so you can all see it. Hope my drone footage comes out all right. I'm sure it will. We're just practicing at the minute, really. Once we get good at it, we'll do Blackpool Tower and places, but we're not that professional yet with it. A long way from that, aren't we? Yeah. We shall get there. So we'll say good night or good afternoon, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.